Welcome to the demo of Durak app. Durak is a popular Eastern European card game. When you first run the app, you will be taken to the main menu screen that you see right there. In this demo, I will not dive into the rules of the game, but mainly focus on gameplay. So let's go ahead and get started. On the bottom of the screen, you will see your cards, as well as your name, status, and statistics. The computer opponent is displayed on the top of your screen. On the left hand side, you have a display that shows the number of cards in the deck as well as the trump card. To play, just tap any one of your cards. As you can see, there is a button above your player name. Press this button to end the turn. So let's now go back and look at the different settings that you have inside this game. The cool part about this app and what sets it apart from other versions of Durak is that you can fully customize the game experience. Now let's see what settings are available to us. The player name is self-explanatory, I think. You can have up to 4 players in a game, which is pretty cool, and it changes the strategies that you would use. The next setting is the deck size. You can have your standard 36 card deck, or if you would like, you can play with a full 52 card deck. The next setting is one of my favorites. It's the difficulty level. So if you are just a beginner, you can try out the easy mode and work your way up to hard, or if you're an expert, you can dive right into the hard mode. As this app evolves, expect the computer AI to get more sophisticated, and that's something that we will be always working on here. If you feel the animations are too slow, you can speed them up, and at the bottom you have your joker and transfer options. So let's see what happens when you turn these on. Let's just play a few rounds and see what happens. As you can see right now, a computer played another 7, which was a transfer and made me a defender. If you don't know the rules, read up on them, but if you're an expert player, you probably know what this means. So let's play a few more hands here. Right now, I have the option to defend or transfer. Since the transfer mode's on, let's choose the transfer option. So now computer is forced to pick up. And it's my turn to go again, so I'll play a few more cards. Oh, and here we go. We got our first joker. Joker is essentially a wild card that beats any trump. Again, you can find out more about what they do by reading the rules of the game. Well, after playing a few rounds, you can see that the different settings available to the user completely change the gameplay. All these settings are interchangeable, so you can turn off jokers, have a 52 card deck, and an easy computer. So hopefully with all these settings, and if you're a fan of Durak, you will not get bored and you'll enjoy many hours of gameplay. Thank you for watching.